Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your, virtual debit card in the Bank of Baroda World app. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, you have to log in into your Bank of Baroda World mobile app, and then you want to be going to the cards section. And from here, you want to select virtual debit cards, and just click on register a new virtual debit card if you don't have one already, and then you just want to select your account number and the card variant you want. So select which account number you want. Maybe you have a checking account, a savings account, different types of accounts like that, or a current account. Select which account and which card variant. There's things like a Mastercard, a Visa card, and then you want to choose your card validity. Do you want a 2-year card, a 4-year card, and then just choose the month you would like it to expire, and then just tick the confirmation box, and then just enter your transaction pin to basically generate your virtual debit card. And then, guys, basically they're gonna give you your virtual debit card details. So it's gonna be, again, you just go to the card section again, and you will see your virtual debit card. You're gonna be able to see your account number, your expiration date, CVV code, all of those details, and you can basically use them all for online transactions. It's really, really easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you guys. And if it did, guys, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solutions so I can see you guys next time.